To create an announcement for the wash, repair or scrap, click Transactions. Then you click Announcement Wash Repair Scrap. An announcement wash repair scrap order allows you to ask ELC to pick up empty goods that should be repaired, washed or scrapped. To specify which type it is, specify the required location. Select R for repair, S for scrap and W for wash. In this case, we will create a repair announcement. You specify the order reference. And then you specify the quantity of the goods you want to announce to be repaired. When you have specified the total quantities, click the Save and Close button. Your order has now been submitted and is up for review at ELC.